Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes, and my apologies because one thing before you even spray this down, I skipped a step, but I did this last time. As I said, this is my second time putting on this headliner because first time I fucked up. Well, actually, the wind was blowing and I wasn't being cautious about that. So, as I mentioned, you might want to use paper clip, not what is it, clothespins, or they got these clamps right here like Harbor Freight. It's like 6-pack for like $2 or something like that. So got these right here that you can use if you're outside in the wind. Also, as I mentioned before, there are different types of spray or adhesive. So they got this Loctite right here, which I got from Walmart. I don't think I'm really going to recommend using this though. Let's see if I can focus on this here. So I don't think I'm really recommend using this for like your headliner. But this right here is like it's a high performance and it's a middleweight bonding, so it's like a 200 strength, it says here. And it says it's good for wood, metal, acrylic, foam, propylene. But this right here was like I want to say $2, $5, something like that. It was really cheap. This right here, I think it was like maybe $8 or something. That Permatex stuff that I'm using was like $12 with a discount for like being an automotive student or working at a body shop or something like that. So usually you get what you pay for when it comes to your car parts, and basically I think I'm a believer. It's kind of like you get what you pay for. So the good stuff is going to cost a little bit more, but you got options though. And this can right here is about out, but we'll go ahead and just spray what we got. Okay, so you see that I'm running out, right? This is my second can right here, so I'm gonna try to conserve. That's why I got those extra cans also, just in case I did run out. You don't want to run out while you're doing this. Like I said, I started this is my second time doing it. So yesterday I was on the second coat, and then now again I'm on the second coat. So this is actually like the fourth time spraying until I ran out. So I'm still gonna recommend that you get like at least 2 cans when you're doing this, just in case. And it's gonna depend on how fast you're spraying, how thick you're going also, and it recommends on the directions that you apply thin coats. Okay, another thing is, first time I sprayed, I was spraying like halfway through and then coming back, halfway through and then coming back. If you do that, you're gonna have like a little thicker layer in the middle. So then the next time you spray, you might want to go all the way across. And then when you do it the next time, you might want to come and do it like a crosshatch and do it like this direction instead of horizontally. Alright, so that's the second coat. We're going to wait 5 minutes, come back and spray our third coat. Oh, and again, like I said, before I even spray the first coat, first thing you got to do is remove the old headliner. So what you're supposed to do is just peel it back. Sometimes, but now, let's say that foam starts separating from the headliner. That's usually why it's going to fall down in the first place. What you want to do is try to peel the foam back. You can either there's like a layer of thin cardboard, just like a little layer of paper that might come with it. That'll make it easy when you're taking it off. But if you're peeling and it's falling all to pieces, you're gonna have to get like a big wire brush and scrape it. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. I got 3 of them. This right here is a high dollar snap-on one. Same thing. It's gonna work just as good as this dollar wood brush, or this one right here. They sell these in a 3-pack at Harbor Freight. But something with a nice firm bristle. And basically you're just gonna have to get all that foam off. So